not this your time, yeah. In not this your time.
Come and make me have some fun. Sweet roots music, you could never refuse.
Well, this one is a bombshell.
Come on quick and it's like a funny trick. Run, come on quick even with your walking stick. Sweet reggae music, I could not refuse it. Whether you're young or you're old, you got to let a good time roll. Good for the young and the old. Sweet roots music, you could never refuse it. So come and make me have some fun. Say run, come and make me have some fun. Sweet reggae music, how could you ever refuse it? Good for the young and the old, you got to live a good time roll. Rock to it, yeah, you can. Walk to it. You can do anything you wanna do with it. Sweet reggae music, sweet roots music, sweet rockers music. You could never refuse it. Roots music, reggae music, international music. Oh yeah. The things you would say just couldn't be that way. You'll never ever reach if you don't try it. Instead, I just say how things are due. When I am free, don't worry about me. Don't worry about me, 'cause I will never let go. I always try, and I've got so much soul. You wonder why? Just because I'm so true. You'll be feeling good when I get you. There's nothing you can do now. I know I do, and I know I do. Let's go. See.
sandals off my feet, I want to rock to the blues. It's been so long since I'm down here in slavery. Boy, we've got to fight for our rights. Boy, we've been fighting day and night. Oh Lord, and freedom we've got to have in this time. Go away with your partiality. Oh now, we want unity in this community. So turn me loose now. Take these chains from off my feet. I want to rock to the blues. Turn me loose now. Take these shackles off my feet. I want to rock to the blues. Oh,
People sound is too low. So long to dance like the public music. Stone low.
oh now.
I thought she wouldn't listen to me, no. But I'm laughing and fool, well, treated as a fool. She broke my heart and let me cry. Broke any rule and that's fine. True confession, she can do the story. Read it in the magazine. And all of a sudden then she goes on and she still wouldn't listen to me. But when I call her up and I apologize, she said she loved me, could not indeed. But I'm afraid until the rest of life, because I know she wouldn't listen to me. Because I know she wouldn't listen to me. Lord, I know she wouldn't listen to me. Lord, because I know she wouldn't listen to me. Lord, she don't want to hear what I have to say. Oh, oh well, oh well. But when I call her up and I apologize, she said she loved me, could not indeed. But I'm afraid until the rest of life, because I know she wouldn't listen to me. Because I know she wouldn't listen to me. La bota suka nega boy. La bota suka nega Say what you say, do what you're doing now. Oh yeah. Say what you're saying and do what you're doing. 'Cause I've got something, baby, money can buy. Because oh yes, I love this little girl of mine. Ooh, yes. Ooh, yes. 'Cause when I have got no money, she is still my honey. And there is no reason to be funny, 'cause oh yes, I love this little girl of mine. Ooh, yes. Ooh, I love you, Julie. I love you for Julie. I love you, Julie. Oh, girl, you will never get away. You will never get away. Cause when I have got the money, she is still my honey. And there is no reason to be funny, 'cause oh yes, I love this little girl of mine.
My name is Arnold Schwarzenegger. When I'm not doing movies or bodybuilding, I'm listening to Strong Love. You don't know, hasta la vista, sound boy. Don't mess with me.
Sound boy once asked when I'll be like Stone Love. When will I see what Stone Love do see? And it is quite to come of age. A sound boy act, but full of a haste. To be grown up is a thing with which he's possessed. Oh yes, and Stone Love, them always say, take your time, son boys. That is what Rory would say. Don't you rush to get old. That is what Billy Slaughter say. Take it in your stride. That is what Wee Pow say. Live your life, whoa. Live your life.
Murderer, blood on your shoulder. Kill I today, you cannot kill I tomorrow. Again, big up you like Billy Slaughter. Malcolm makes a big, yeah. You know, Rory cancer. Likewise, over a long time, all the time. Chico, you're big for years. Watch this. Rory, you respect you. I can't want to mention. Guns out from all direction, million teams sing. I put you on to look and say, Lord, murderer, blood on your shoulder. Kill I today, you cannot kill I tomorrow. Murder, your inside must see Allah. How does it feel to take the life of another? Murderer, blood on your shoulder. Kill I today, you cannot kill I tomorrow. Murder, your inside must see Allah. How does it feel to take a life? Yes, you can hide from one, but not your conscience. Who know you're the brothers are guns in the wine of violence. Allow yourself to be conquered by the serpent. Why you did it?
Who knows who we don't can talk, but who see better run the rings the machine till you be nasty rotten when you put that in a wheelchair. Your life now goes here. Between you and full of one better make it out clear. Yes, we don't can talk, but who see better run the rings the machine till you be nasty rotten when you put that in a wheelchair. Your life now goes here. Between you and full of one better. Hey, what? Jump for that wicked sound from your mouth. Boys, yeah.
Short man of murderation. Tell them, it's like now you dead your mama balls don't love name and call loose argument Peter. Bumping a ball with Wee Pow, Rory, cancer and a mercy. Now you run some Bronx. Bromwell. Short man of murderation. Tell them, it's like now you dead your mama balls don't love name and call loose argument Peter. Long story Paul. Boy see we gonna pose up like a wall. Now you dead over there so put out like a mall. You big or small, coulda long or tall. For your disrespect stone up your head a figure fall. Your mama we cry and your papa we ball. Cause we not be every time we a go kill them all. Man a big murderer and we guns so tall. We a murder people we just not talk. Now you dead your mama balls.
Stand up for your case and Freddie McGregor die. Rory Pow, run it where cancer. Oh, na 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 na, yeah, na 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 na, yeah, hey, yeah. Take your time, some boy. He comes to love again. Don't you push too hard. Tonight you're gonna get dust. Take your time, some boy. Here comes to love again. Don't you push too hard. Tonight you're gonna get dust. Some boy, you what I say now, yeah. Oh na 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 na, yeah. Say you shoulda never tried to taste the chocolate sound. Stone love in the dancing cup, the killer jump and sound. You shoulda know some boy what you doing. Now look how you carry you get ruined. Before the dance is just a bragging and boasting. And now we come to the test of just loving. So take your time, son boy. Cancer come here again. Take your time, son boy. A birch him die again. Take your time, son boy. And here come Chico again. Take your time, son boy. We power in other place again. Whoa, you what I say now. But in McGregor in the place again, yeah. Whoa, na 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 na, yeah, yeah. Anything test, soul of lick it down. Some clash come a soul of wear the crown. Another song come, we call it come around. Anywhere we go, the people ball out. Soul of the talk of the town. Soul of the champion sound. Oh God, na 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 na, yeah. So I say, take your time, sound boy. Here comes soul of again. Don't you push too hard. Tonight you gonna get dust. Take your time, sound boy. Here come cats again. Take your time, sound boy. She come now.
But this one is a function.
People sound is too low.
Yo, Stone babies, this is Pinches. Yo, I love you, my ladies. Yeah, you don't know. Lock it in the tight cars. The champion juggler, play, Stone Love. Billy Slater. Yo, tell him. People Rory. Stone Love is a champion juggling sound. Yo, Stone Love babies, this is Pinches. Yo, I love you, my ladies. Yeah, you don't know. Lock it in the tight cars. The champion juggler, play, Stone Love. Billy Slater. Yo, tell him. People Rory. Stone Love is a champion juggling sound. We juggle for the people, so right before you have a champion juggler sound. Yo, we bust our guns like a kite. Stone Love is a champion juggler. We pop off, jump and timp and strike. Champion juggler. Crush them out your in and off a spite. Me not see the sound built for beat me. Stone Love no sound can defeat me. Stone Love is sweet you completely. Kill them with some Rory, make it sweet me. The champion juggler, yeah. The champion juggler, yeah. So juggler, as some say. The juggler, look who they. The juggler, what we say.
Do re mi fa sol la ti do, do re mi fa sol la ti do, do re mi fa sol la ti do, do re mi fa sol la ti do. You're on the move, you're on the right track. You tune the soul love and you can't turn back. Oh yes, you're on the move, you're on the right track. You tune the soul love and you can't turn back. Up on the solid rock we both stand. All them other sound and sinking sand. I saw the one with the 7 seal. We will play a dub and a soundboy flee. Across the sea, I'm on the land. Stone Love play a dub with his mighty hand. With good selection, we have a good selection. Stone Love have selection, we have a good selection. No looking back, no turning back. You tune the Stone Love and you can't turn back. Oh yes, no looking back, no turning back. You tune the Stone Love and you can't turn back. But when I look over yonder, what did I see? Sing Pan packing up their sound to go home. And they're massive and proof. And Selector just a school. Stone Love kill them all and send them home. We have the good selection. The Stone Love have selection. The Rocket of selection. The 45 selection. You get ready and you can't come back. Stone Love with the song and the rhythm matter. You get ready and you can't come back. Stone Love with the song and the rhythm matter. Back off!
Hey, 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 hey. Oh. Dan 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 jova danjo. Dan 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 jova danjo. You have some boy them a one like the rover. Take a look at them and a danjo. Dan 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 cause a danjo's on. Physical cause a hundred. I just was a Wee Pow. Shall no say rough. And when we come and dance we know you put up up. Take hard and my really comfy and a little rough. You know me cool looking comfy and a little rough. And I call it dan dan dan.
to Creation Sound.
Creation Sound with DJ Candy. It's your girl Pinky Famous, yeah, yeah, yeah. Kill, we go kill some jump and some zing. Silly, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Silly of you to think that you could ever test creation. We will kill you. Silly of you to think that you could ever test creation. We will kill you. You're just a jump on sound. I know that candy, I got turn you in a cloud.
Hey, do you remember this has got to be the dancehall Thursdays? Come on.
The people see.
You know, gotta big up the solo family in the house. Original Dwayne Pow for years. Original youth, you know.
Oh, jump on, stop making a fool of yourself.
This has got to be Lady Pinky Famous.
Yeah.
You know the CEO original out there famous.
Jump on, stop making a fool of yourself. Yeah, yeah. Silly of you to think that you could ever test creation. Creation is like done.
This has got to be the voice of the lady Cheryl Franklin.
Cause you don't have to speak in the dark. Just come on into the room. I've been lying in my bed at the dark of the room, and I've been waiting for you. There's been no reason to move. Just be as still as a tomb. I needed your arms so badly tonight, but I guess you had better things to do. Creation, I didn't know that it was coming to this, but it must have been blind. I guess I still have a trace of the love in your eyes, and you still got a rise on your mind. You saw it stay with me at 7 o'clock. Now it's a 2:45.
You know this has got to be the early segment where I want to kick it off easy, you know.
Guess you couldn't get it from me. There's been no reason to move. Just be as still as a two. I needed your arms so badly tonight, but got better things to do. I should have known that it was coming to this.
Oh Lord, where is that problem again? Someone we not look no friend yet. Oh well. Some boys stop playing hide and seek.
Original Peter Metro.
Face defeat. Some
Where's the COO?
tonight. Creation, yes, we die, but a different proposition. There's no sound like creation, big sound that I know. Can make the dance with the ram up, there's no sound like creation, sound that I know. Ruby be bang bang dead. Now creation, massive love your style. Must be a place some wicked and wild. No idiot sound can test tonight. SD Johnny Killer Blitz bang the ends. There's no sound like creation, sound that I know. Can make the dance with the ram up. There's no sound like creation, big sound that I know. Sound boy, make you run it. Sound boy, make you run it. Sound. What make you run it? Someone make you run it, so.
This has got to be the voice of one Mr. Freddie McGregor. Now to welcome each and everyone to the original dancehall Thursdays. You know that thing you're going on.
Yo, Candy, the girl, them say sweet and dandy. I don't know what you do to them, you know. And the big song.
Original Fred Locks.
Who that on it? The Fred Locks. Let it off, make me kill people. Creation sound, big bad sound. Rub it up to the nice and up every time I like.
You must know going on. What the thing up here make going on? Don't.
Same seekers on the sound get slaughtered. Damn them in the harbor. 7 minutes another sound just dead, sir. Call the funeral parlor. Sound boy see us coming. Then pack up and start running. When Candy is playing, all the mass masses just keep on saying, take more than a million dub plate to kill creation sound. Why? Take more than a million dub plate to test creation sound. Why? You can't test the big sound. You can't take Candy Crown. Cause Candy is the man who will kill them all and come back alone. We don't need a million dub plate to murder some sound. Why? Candy don't need a million dub plate to slaughter some sound. Why? Creation sound, big bad sound, and them run the town. Easy like Candy. Wow! Some boys see us strolling, then back up and start running. When Candy's selecting, they have to respect him. Whatever might of the big bad dub plates coming in, the dance out. 7 miles of creation dub plates, we're gonna conquer them all. Kill sound in the morning, creation in the evening. Kill sound in the night, if a sound boy too bright.
So let's give thanks and praise to the Most High God, Jah Rastafari. Sing. Pass it up on the right hand side. Pass it up on the right hand side. Them a go dead. Creation come. Pass it up on the right hand side. Pass it up on the right hand side. Them a go dead. When creation come. See, it was a cool and lovely breezy afternoon. You could feel it cause it was the month of June. So I left I gates and went out for a walk. You could hear creation played up in the lawn. Passed it up on the right hand side. Passed it up on the right hand side. Them are gone dead when creation come. And I like. Pass it up on the right hand side. Pass it up on the right hand side. Them are gone dead when creation come. So I stopped to find out what was going on. It was a ring of dread and creation playing on the lawn. To my surprise, what did I see? It was a holy that them come run to rub it. Rub it. Pass it up on the right hand side. Pass it up on the right hand side. Them are gone dead when creation comes.
Sing we God bless up the place.
Big up all of creation to and all righteous people. No. Whoa. Ah, mercy, mercy.
Original Giant.
What things and what they used to be. Where did all these jump and sounds come from? The trying to test creation sound. Whoa, crazy.
Sing we got rock and come in, man. All the early vibes. Stole up on the ground. You know you go. The Immortal stole up.
Now come let us break their bands asunder and cast away the cards from us. Only the civilization shall laugh, creation shall have them in its region. Potentially speak unto them in his wrath and vex to them in his soul its pleasure. Everybody set thy kings upon the holy mountains of Zion. I will now declare the creed. Creation hath said unto thee that thou art thy sons this day have I begotten thee. No acts of fire thine eyes shall give thee the Eden for thine inheritance, and the uttermost part of the earth for their possession. Jah shall break them with a rod of iron. Creation shall dash them into pieces like a potted vessel, thou say. So be wise therefore, ye sound boy, and be instructed in fall, judges of this earth. Serve creation with fear and rejoice with tremble. He say, and I the son unless he be younger, but perish from his ways when his wrath is kindled by spiritual. And so blessed be all, blessed be everyone, as I would say. Blessed be creation, as I would tell you. Thing we call early prayer.
And so blessed the all they that put their trust in the true and living creation, as I would say. Cause this man shall be like the holy mountains of Zion that cannot be removed but abided forever. Cause all the mountains round about Irusi. And so the Lord our God, Rastafari, is running about his people, as I would say. The lot of the wicked shall not rest upon this righteous, unless this individual righteous put forth his hands into iniquity. So do good, O Lord God, Rastafari, unto them that are good, and unto those that are upright in their heart. Cause such as one has turned into his crooked way, you don't say. Creation shall not turn its back to give account to the right of his people. And you know, come and make me feel you about the son of God. Oh, the son of God is Satan as a gun. Some boy me say you want ya, but you no born ya. Say you no born ya, but you want ya. And all creation make you want ya. And so we got to tell you gonna son of God. Gonna son of gonna Satan as a gun. Chida dan
Thing we got us rock and come in a holy favorite spot. Cause you know later on you go nice. Originally Immortal stole out there. Ain't no nice is guaranteed. Come on. Original fun sing. Give them the prayer.
It keep me from evil, from destruction, set my soul free. That's why I believe in it. Prayer it's a sweet something when you can pray, yeah. Prayer it's a sweet something when you can pray, yeah. Coming in, prayer uplift me, take me from sin. Prayer it's a blessing.
Original fun sing, you know that tune you got on the road long time, you know.
Sweet, sweet prayer.
But that tune you does one nice tune, you know. It's all about the blessings.
Sweet, sweet prayer.
Thing we call the prayer.
Prayer what a sweet something.
Thing we call us rock and come in. Cause all the early vibes, you know. You know later on in here, turn up, turn over.
When you can pray, prayer in the morning, prayer in the evening.
Later on, you know the Metro Media family there too. A whole heap away, you know. Original dummy. Pick up yourself.
It keep me from evil, from destruction, set my soul free. That's why I believe in it. Prayer it's a sweet something when you can pray.
When you can pray, yeah.
Prayer it's a sweet something when you can pray.
Yes, so tonight I urge strong, you know. So you know later on you have to bounce off on one tune for you. Alright, Mr. Van Sing, you know it thing go. Original Colonel Campbell, come give me a song now, man.
Go on, I'll be dealing like this.
Yeah. Original moment. You good? Stay with Peter Metro for years and watch it.
When I used to go to school, she says, son, you better know yourself, because in time to come it's going to be jail. I know that God, a burial ground, they never want for a burial ground.
Have mercy on that someone. Yeah, Lord. Then God, I'm very down. Very down. Lord, when I used to go to school, creation from the golden rule. She says, sons, you better know yourselves, because in time to come it's going to be dread. Now then, God, a burial ground. Them never want for a burial ground. Yes, then God, a burial ground. The whole of the
think we got this rock and come in.
Oh, mother, I wish you was around to see our creation among them home. In you the light into, oh Lord, the whole of them turn full, oh Lord. Cause them gone a burial ground. They never want for a burial ground. But them gone.
Original Mommy Joy does go and big up some speed, you know, because you know where your artist is, right?
Sing on.
Moving on. The wheel of the morning. Well, I do feel like I'm in a special good creation, Lord. Never want to come to prove only gem. Only when every man never come to just can't kind of step up in the climb, Lord. And all the time I'm on the road, like a green white ball, Lord. Rum, rum, anywhere creation, when you run down.
Think we can't go there forward in. Guess what? Hey, gotta big up Mommy Joy, you know what's going on. I want your request, right?
Joy.
Mommy Joy, one of them people in there every Thursday night, you know. So you know, she have to have a little request, so we have to send out that song to her right now.
Very seriously, you are the one for me.
Oh, you mean Mommy Joy? Skunk have that one in there earlier, you mean?
Joy, I love you. Joy is the one for me. Very seriously.
Why so Mr. Gregory is up?
You are the one for me. Oh. And I never, never, ever gonna set you free. When I was out there in the world, I was feeling hot. I didn't see Mary, Susan or Pat, so I said, Joy is the one for me.
Where's the Gregory?
And I'm gonna take her, oh so seriously. You are the one for me. Oh. And I will never, never, ever, never set you free. When I was out there in the rain, I was feeling pain. I didn't see Lola, not even the rain. You are the one for me. The
the one for me. You are the one for me. Yeah. With you, I won't be. Lord.
Think we got Joy is the one for me.
When I was out there in the rain, when I was feeling pain, I didn't feel lonely, not even in the rain. So Joy is the one for me. Ain't I gonna take her for some very seriously? You are the one for me. Dangerous, dangerous. Know your mother stepping ways. I don't want.
One time is Joy. Walk over there still.
If you are full for the car, no matter what fun you are. And if you are dirty conqueror, you better choose good.
Later on, you know, Geefus in the building.
So long as the stepping ways, that is your sound. You're dangerous, dangerous. So long as the stepping ways, that is your sound. You're dangerous.
It's the word that happens from now.
Each and every day, in each and every way, Stone of the champion, sound the world champion, to sing for the McGregor Pandey when I watch them. All my crew.
One time to the Jamaican family, go on, big up.
We're sailing, all girls in the dead.
What do you famous? So what's now?
Tonight, let me see them. Right now we ready, some boy hold on, steady. Stone love and move, I'm lighting speed. Y'all let the love flow. Each and every day, in each and every way, Stone of the champion, sound the world champion, to sing for the McGregor Pandey when I watch them. All my crew.
One time to the New York family. Big up all British, all Caribbean family. Let's go.
Tonight, let me see them. Right now we ready, some boy hold on, steady. Stone love and move at lightning speed. Yes. Take a seat and wait for we ready. My crew die.
Ready, ready, McGregor. Take on.
I did not stone love come from murder, little sound. Why? Tonight we don't need no commotion. Then a stone love come from turn on little sound. Why?
Dancehall Thursdays. Stop there.
Just a murder, little sound. Why?
Now isn't it strange how them jippy sound and then why come test on love the dancehall king?
52 years I've been still going on strong. Still number one.
We build up for eternity. Each is given a bag of tools, shapeless mass, and hang. Each must make their life as flowing in.
One time to the beautiful ladies looking good.
Know that Stone Love is the dancehall king.
Check it out.
I sing, common people like you and me. We build that for eternity. Each is given a bag of tools. Let them know that the Stone Love rules. Sing power, 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 power.
International Immortals to love in fine style.
Yeah man, sound boy, if you know, says Stone Love in a class by itself. And Stone Love stand alone. And to touch so. Bless up man like Father Powell and the Stone Love crew every time. Larger. 6'6", going a little bit. General end up in a funeral.
Tonight you're gonna hear some song.
Now them once
Dancehall Thursdays.
Then one time.
One more time, I select it with you, mind.
Love in our class by
It's Joy.
and Stone Love stand alone and to touch bless up man like Father Powell and the Stone Love crew every time. Larger. 6'6". General end up in a funeral.
One big of creation sound. Every time, jump around, Metro Media. Come love.
Them one time, become a them funeral. Them claim say, them are the general. Them want the immortal soul love.
Father does a big of the yourself.
Them claim say, them are the general. Little idiot sound boy.
So in the meantime, as they continue, watch you go mind and take on. Here we go.
All the people them are rocking. All the people them stacking to stone that tonight.
One more time, I selected the people go and take time rolling.
Welcome to Sound Business.
Stone Jersey.
You know why I say that? Stone up play every night, and that is why some make a soul guy and the Wee Pow and Belly Slap and all of your fight. Sugar, feel it right.
I'm after the year 2 years stone up, man. We wanna do stone love playing.
Big up all Japanese.
Stone love playing.
Big up all Italian.
Night and day.
Here we go.
All the people them are rocking. All the people them stacking to stone up tonight.
Wanna be the boss right now, Father Powell in Canada. Yes, it.
All the people them are grooving. All the doctor them are just rocking to stone up tonight.
Right now the Prince there, alongside one. Stone Love.
Respect to the man Wee Pow, Rory and
Banana, wave the flag eye. Reggae music. Come on.
A booga mine singing in your ear. Singing from the champion sound. Singing from the soul of sound.
Check it out.
All the people them. Well, you don't know. Stone Love, you heard? Holla back, baby. Stone Love on Shines for 99 till the end of time.
What's the one shining in?
Most magical sound that I've ever heard.
Talk about the machine right now.
There's a feeling that's so divine. There's a magic in you.
He's the one like he, me. One big up every time you.
Stone Love. You opened up so many.
Randy Rich, Governmental, Bill Cosby, Diamond, Iceberg.
I was so very, very insecure.
Check it out.
You made me see the light. You made my life sunny and bright. And you.
What go on, chat is? Yes, it.
Stone Love. Tell me who you were. Love I can feel.
When you talk about a machine and juggling sound over the years.
I want to love I can feel. That's the only kind.
One more time, my selecting zone in the world want to some love. Let's do this.
Love I can feel.
Calm before the storm.
I can feel.
International flight. Here we go. Hey, Jano, down no man.
I want to love I can feel. That's the only kind of love I think is real. Don't want to be going by something I heard. Cause baby,
Make sure to get to the light of them.
louder than words.
Hold it on fire. Make sure the phone them charge up phone light.
I want to love that is mine.
Check it.
In the rain it's always sun, sunshine.
Great.
A love to keep me warm when it's cold. That kind of a loving that will never go.
When the man a talk about Miss Joy.
Don't you know I wanna love? Don't you know I wanna love?
We're gonna lace him over party and sit looking good.
Don't you know I wanna love?
All my beautiful ladies, here we go.
Don't you know I won't love?
Are you ready?
Don't love watching your cars up. We can't even sleep on night time and store up sound and play. Anyway, don't love go back and follow. We don't want that, we get them pumped up.
What Mr. Wayne you want to take time? News! One more time, when I say your name famous, I press the remote them way there for clarity again.
Stone love watching your cars up. We can't even sleep on night time and store up sound and play. Anyway, Stone love go back and follow. We don't want that, we get them pumped up.
Original dancehall Thursday, Soul Love is here, have no fear. You know.
Some love, yes, you are the reason why I can't sleep at night. There's no love, you are the season. The changes it every time. You are the reason.
Starboy Dwayne Pow is here, DJ Quad. Later on, Geefus, a murder. Nino. Legendary one. On 2 feet walking, Peter Mitchell, Barbigo. And now, Mitchell.
They perpetrate violence and they don't know about bodies boosting up themselves. Defending their markets, man, one like father, every another soul and another. Don't be big, man, it don't get men's on the road. So perpetrate violence and don't know about bodies boosting up themselves. Defending their markets, man, one like.
Also remember each and every Wednesday, Wednesday, load, run a stone love. Come on!
How come you so wicked, you full of a stupid sport? In a 10 millimeter with your Afghan Uzi. Now no shut up on your back, you want the world this day. That you want your face and you're not sure.
Watch it light to them. Why you come on, G? Come on!
Last year, this is the part 2, you know. Still love song, I want to order them. Shout! I mean, say, oh, you are one like police, so. I mean, say,
Original dancehall Thursdays. We're here.
Around the street, they have Blue Lane and the main original gun boy, little Jakarta. Gaga man, come voice up.
yes, I am. You want to just turn up your command.
House of Parliament are going good in a Peter Metro.
Last year, this is
Tear up the whole of Weddy Wednesday last night. You see? Come on!
I mean, say, oh, you are one like police, so. I mean, say, how bad a line they dog. I want me, I want you. I mean, say, you are one.
Hey, Butcher! Original Chase going big on So Supreme. You know. What going on, so fresh? Yes, it. Them style of movie star Johnny. Come on.
A sound boy once asked when I'll be like Stone Love. When will I see what Stone Love do see? And in his fight to come of age,
One nationally log up on the life. Very so to see.
to be grown up is a thing with which he's possessed. Oh yes, and Stone Love, them always say, take your time, son boy. That is what Rory.
One more time, my selector. 52-year-old soul. Original dancehall Thursdays. You
My
understand?
name is Arnold Schwarzenegger. When I'm not doing movies or bodybuilding, it's Terminator. I'm listening to Stone Love. You don't know. Hasta la vista. Sound boy, don't mess with me.
In life, just take your time and cut and go through. Don't bad mind nobody. Think all wait your turn. Rain no fall upon one man, no stop. Right down me? New!
A sound boy once asked when I'll be like stone love.
Lady Gavia, hold this state family out of Miami. One big up, Florida crew in the building.
And in his fight to come of age, a son boy act, but full of a haste.
Peter Metchusey,
grown up is a thing.
Rock on coming.
Oh yes, and stone love, them always say, take your time, son boys. That is what Rory would say. Don't you rush to get old. That
watch your walk, watch your talk.
Take it in your stride.
That's a real Mackay, Miss Joy.
Live your life, Lord.
No, they got a shoulder. Kill like today, you gotta kill like tomorrow. Watch it. You respect you.
Right now we're dig deep in the dub basket. Stole up full of the now.
How much want to look and say?
Play for the power money. Come now.
No live on your shoulder. Kill like today, you gotta kill like tomorrow. Brother, your inside must be hollow. How does it feel to take the life?
How about your banter?
No live on your shoulder. Kill like today, you gotta kill like tomorrow. Brother, your inside must be hollow. How does it feel to take a life? Yes, you can hide from man, but not your conscience.
I don't push crime and violence, but I believe in a self-defense. Why me say that? Why?
It's like, no, you dead your mama balls, don't love name a call. Loose argument, Peter, long story, Paul. Boy, see we gonna pose up like a wall.
When the song get bright, here we go.
Come on, you big or small, could that long or tall. For your disrespect, stone up your head, that we go fall. Your mama we cry, and your papa we ball. Cause we not fear the child, we a go kill them all. Man a big murderer, and we gun so tall. We a murder people, we just not talk. Now you dead, your mama balls, don't love name a call. Loose argument, Peter, long story, Paul.
Right now this is the worst sound. I will deal with nothing but love. You understand, Geefus? Dear love we preach every time, you understand? Anywhere we go, we deal with hatred, love, and unity. We are all Jamaicans. Crime and violence, so go down. Get over, go down, that's the same.
Where is just again, Jack? This is original stone love that in a hard and in a class and style and manner. And look at some boy when I jump up and down like a jack in the box. You and your friend then will plan and come to come talk about stone love this and stone love that. Everything was stone love. Do your chat this fun about this is the only scripture. Come in, Luciana.
It's don't look it back to praise the most high God. Oh, give me strength, oh Jah.
Psalms are there, keep the devil away.
To face him.
Oh, God bless, no man curse, right, Miss Jai?
Lord, give me strength to face another day. Make it a long life's road. Give me strength to
original dancehall Thursdays. Peter Metchusey.
To face another day. Lord, give me strength to face another day. Make it a long life's road. Carry my heavy load.
One with the families and friends them on the live right now. One with I say. Dwayne Pow is here. One is here. Teacher Geefus is here. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. Please just don't love when I call. I'll have for ages passing.
What more song will let you the legend right now? You know the thing, go. Come on.
Without whom I could not be.
Luciana say.
Some of us are trying to live.
When you talk about a sound over the years.
This is Mr. Stone.
How one name never call upon a wrong thing yet. Cockatoo.
Listen. Stone love is a good sound. Not a little just comes out.
Oh my gosh.